Miss me? So today I'm going to show you a recipe which I'm not sure whether it's more delicious or more easy. So here's a recipe for Matar Paneer, which is one of the most delicious concoctions I've made up. Very few ingredients, no onion garlic, but still mouth-watering, and no garam masala. Today's recipe was also supposed to be one of those music and just recipe kind of things, but a lot of you have been writing in saying that you actually like my jibber jabber, so I thought I'd just come in and say hi. Delicious, and that combination of tomato and kasuri methi, believe me, it is mind-blowing. I mean, the real trick to Indian vegetarian cooking, any vegetarian cooking for that matter, is to leave it as light as possible on the masalas, on the spices, and let the vegetables speak for themselves. Here you have matar and you have paneer. Both of them have their own amazing flavors, and the tomato just sort of brings it out. So try it. I'm sure you'll love it, even if you're a non-vegetarian. Papa Panda has been getting a lot of heat from his social media friends because they're like, what's with the vegetarian deal, man? Why vegetables? So, but we need to also cater to our vegetarian subscribers, and vegetables are good, and it's summer, so show some love. Let's do some vegetarian stuff as well. And this is a shout out to one of our most supportive subscribers. I only know him as Airplane Talk. So, hi there, and thank you for all your love and all your blessings. Episode, and yes, I'll be there. Maybe I'll sing, maybe I'll dance. How do you dance? I don't know how to dance. Okay, I'm going now. Bye bye.